Welcome to FAD Tutorial. In this video I will teach you how you can make this 3D design in SolidWorks. So we are in SolidWorks now. So first of all, go to the file, new, part, okay. Then we have to open the drawing. So this is our sketch. So we will draw a rough sketch like this, and then we will extrude. Go to the front plane, sketch, select the line, okay. And okay, this one we will make horizontal. Then we will go to the dimension part. So the dimension, so this is 40 is here, and this is 20, okay. So we will draw this two dimension first. So smart dimension 40 is here, and this dimension 20, okay. Go to the sketch again, and this dimension is 40, okay. So from this end to this end is 40, okay. Go to the sketch again, this dimension is 20 and this is 10, okay. Smart dimension 20 and this is 10, okay. Go to the sketch again, this dimension is 10 and this dimension is 10. So this dimension is 10, okay, and this dimension is 10. Nice, okay. We have to check it should be same end, so select this one and this one on same, and so smart dimension this end is also 10, okay. And one more thing, we have checked this dimension, it 20 is okay, and this is 40, and we have to go to the features, and how much extrude we have to do, 20. Go to the features, extrude 20. So this basic sketch is ready now. So I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching.